It's MissCarly. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing wig video that I have for you. Again, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. So let's get inspired by this amazing wig from divatress.com. This wig right here that I'm going to be doing is by Main Concepts. As you can see here, it is part of their Tiger Eye blend, which I will go more into. It is a Brazilian front lace wig right here. It is a blend of Brazilian lace, human hair, and also synthetic, which it is so soft of a wig. It's so soft, it's so realistic, it's not even funny. I can't even describe it. So this is in the color TE2-2730, and it is the loose wave 24-inch. Oh, the style is MLF03. So as you can see here, she's wearing in the sandy blonde right here. This is the color that I have right here. I do love it in that ashy blonde. Every wig that I have so far in this Tiger Eye, I absolutely love it because it just is so dimensional and it just looks super real, natural, like real hair, like real salon hair. I can't talk enough about how much I really dig these wigs. This is a 13x4 parting, which means that from 13 inches, so ear to ear, and 4 inches back, it is free parting. It's a full net. So with these 13x4 wigs, they're just a little bit more expensive than the normal front lace wigs that I wear, as it is very natural, and I can't even describe it. Like, you go one way, not another way, it just gives you a totally different look, and it's just very freeing and it's very interesting. Just a difference of this type of wig versus the standard front lace wigs that I have. So let's just look at the actual wig right now. Oh, let's talk about it first. Let's look at how glamorously beautiful this wig is. Again, very natural looking. I would actually call this one my spy wig, because no one would ever imagine me or think I would be in brown hair. So I guess the cat's out of the bag. So if you see me in this wig, I'm probably spying on somebody. Just kidding. So look at that. Look how great that is. Just beautiful. Anyway, so let's get back into it. So here, as you can see, the front lace part, all front lace right here. Look at that. And then also there are 2 clips on the side here, and there is 1 clip in the back with the fastener, if I can get it, right here with the fasteners. With these wigs, there's almost like no need to actually pluck, as it is free parting. Although I feel like when I was messing around with it, that on the part that I like the most, I actually did pluck a couple hairs. If I find that exact spot again, I probably will. So let's put this guy on. And then, oh, also with the plucking and the cutting, with these 4x13s, a lot of the women, to make them look a little bit more natural, they actually cut their own baby hairs out of the front portion of it. So you can mess around with that and then just kind of gel them down. Okay, so we've got this wig cap on in nude, which I have from Amazon in a 10-pack. Go buy the 10-pack. Don't mess around with 1 or 2. You're gonna need all 10. So just buy it so you have it. So all my hair is back here. And then also with these being the 13x4, I feel they're much lighter just due to the amount of lace that's on them. And then also in the same time, it takes a little bit adjusting of playing with finding the part that fits you best, because it is so freeing that you will need one of these combs right here with hair on it, as you can see, to define your part if you choose. Now maybe this dress isn't the best to wear with this wig since it is very thick and luxurious. I mean, look at this. Wow, 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 wow. So let's look at how great this is. Also, I wanted to show you guys that So parting it on this side, I have this kind of, this little pop-up here, which I generally really like, because it kind of reminds me of a retro kind of look. It kind of pops up there. So let's just put a little bit back so you can kind of see. Wow, beautiful. I feel like it sheds normal, just like a normal wig. Also, ladies, when you do wear these longer wigs out, I will tell you, bring a little brush with you because it may get a little tangled. And I feel like that's very normal. I think even with normal long hair, it gets tangled. So just bring a little brush with you just so you have it, so you can always look this beautifully soft curls. I mean, look, wow. Okay, so let me show you again. If I were to flip it like on the other side, let's just play around with it. And you kind of just mess with it like your regular hair, finding a different part. So let's look at this side. See how it just gives a totally different look? It doesn't do the pop-up on this side, I feel. It just looks a little bit more, you know, like a normal hair without the pop-up, without the kind of vintage pop-up. I mean, isn't this really great? Wow, I mean, first I was really uncertain about this color because it just seemed too basic for me, but I really do like it. Also with this parting, because it is so free, that if you wanted to wear it half up, just like she has in the photo right here, by all means, do it, clip it, do whatever you want to it. Just have fun with it. I mean, it is so great. It is very luxurious. It's so soft. I can't even describe how soft this wig feels. I mean, if I kept my natural hair color, this is what I would look like. Wow, it's like I couldn't dream of being brown again because I literally haven't seen my hair color since I think I was in 8th grade. So, wow, glamorous, beautiful. Again, so the link is down below for this unit as well as the coupon code. So get that coupon, add to cart, have fun. Maybe you want to wear a little spy wig too. So if I wanted to go super natural, this is definitely my most natural look I could ever conceive for myself. So it just looks great, it feels great, it's very light. I love the free parting. It is worth, honestly, if you ask me, spending the extra $10 to $15 on a free part, just knowing that you could do whatever you want to it. Left, right, up, down, to the side, up. I mean, there's so many options for it and I really dig that. So check it out. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you have this wig and maybe if you have another color. I actually was looking at a khaki color that's on there. I kind of dig that one too. Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Again, please feel free to reach out to me. And thank you for stopping by and we will see you soon.